I'm Aisha, you are watching Educational Hub. Whether you're writing a research paper or thesis, a portion called Significance of the Study ensures your readers understand the impact of your work. Learn how to effectively write this vital part of your research paper or thesis through our detailed steps, guidelines, and examples. First, we need to understand: what is the significance of the study? The significance of the study presents the importance of your research. It gives you an opportunity to prove the study's impact on your field of research, the new knowledge it contributes, and the people who will benefit from it. Most important question is, where should I put the significance of the study? The significance of the study is part of the first chapter or the introduction. It comes after the research's rationale, problem statement, and hypothesis. Okay, next question is, why should I include the significance of the study? The purpose of the significance of the study is to give you space to explain to your readers how exactly your research will be contributing to the literature of the field you are studying. Now going to main topic: how to write significance of the study with 5 steps. Step 1. Use your research problem as a starting point. Your problem statement itself can provide clues to what outcome your research study will achieve and who will benefit from it. Step 2. State how your research will contribute to the existing literature in the field. Think of the things that were not explored by previous studies. Then, write how your research tackles those unexplored areas. Through this, you can convince your readers that you are studying something new and adding value to the field. Step 3. Explain how your research will benefit society. In this part, tell how your research will impact society. Think of how the results of your research will change something in your community. For example, in the study about the use of lemongrass tea in lowering blood glucose levels, you may indicate that through your research, the community will be able to. Step 5. Indicate how your study may help future studies in the field. You must also specifically indicate how your research will be part of the literature of the field you are studying and how it will benefit future researchers. You may indicate that through the data and analysis that your research will provide, future researchers may explore other capabilities of herbal plants in preventing different diseases. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.